Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is recuperate. It is pronounced re-cu-per-rate, and it is spelt R-E-C-U-P-E-R-A-T-E. Think of re, then cup, then ER, and then 8. Recuperate has two meanings. The first meaning is to recover from illness or exertion, and the second is to recover or regain something that has been lost or taken. For example, you could say he recuperated slowly after his shoulder injury, or after spending a fortune at the weekend, he hoped to recuperate some money. The word recuperate comes from the Latin recuperatus, meaning to get again. If you recuperate, it means you either recover something lost or recover from an illness. In both of these situations, you are getting something again, whether it's a physical object or your health. See the connection? How long, on average, do you think it takes to recuperate from the following injuries? Mild bruising, sprained ankles, broken bones. Well, here's some information for you. Mild bruising usually heals within about 7 days, depending on how bad it is, of course. But the other two take a lot longer. A sprained ankle can take up to 6 weeks, depending on the severity of the sprain. And broken bones can take up to 8 months to heal fully, depending on the type of bone that you've broken. It is a long time, of course. Recuperate is a verb, and therefore it's a doing word. For example, you could say, I recuperated in hospital after falling down the stairs. Recuperate is defined in the dictionary as to become well again after an illness, to get back your strength or your health, or to get back money that you have spent or invested. Recuperate's synonyms include improve, get better, recover, mend, revive, rally, regain, recoup, retrieve, reclaim, find, and redeem. Antonyms include deteriorate, hurt, lose, decline, fail, and worsen. See if you can notice anyone recuperating today. It could be from an injury or an illness. Impress your friends and family by using your new word, recuperate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.